In this episode, Tarani from my team will join me. She's a food and beauty writer and she's picked a dish that I don't make very often. But the good thing is I know she must have never made this dish. So let's find out how this goes. Hello, Tarani.
So just a correction, I have made this one time before.
Once. I'm sure you must have done it when you must be like practicing this recipe.
Irrespective, I have made it one time before.
I know you too well. Okay, so tell me, why did you pick this dish?
I absolutely love seafood and I'm a true blue Bombay girl.
You girl.
Jeez. So I love the prawn koli vada recipe. I've grown up eating it all my life and that's why I've chosen to make it today.
I think it's a good one because the Kohlis were the first inhabitants of Mumbai and either it could have been this dish or you could have done the vada pav or the Bombay toasty because I think these three dishes kind of define Mumbai food for me
for
at
sure.
least.
And I've grown up in Juhu, you know. I had my school, I went to Manikji Cooper, I went to Jamna
Because
Bai.
why two schools?
Just because.
Got thrown out of one.
Are you ready to start?
Yeah, I think it's a fairly simple recipe. I think you give me very clear instructions. It has one marinade and then the second marinade. I think we should start.
Let's do it.
Yeah, remove the coffee and leave.
Sorry. But like if Game of Thrones can have Starbucks, we can also have, na? Like even you have it.
What are we doing? Product placement now?
I mean, we could move that out.
Why are you after my coffee? Yeah?
Because Salil is after my coffee.
Let's begin with the first marinade.
Okay.
Okay?
So there's salt, red chili powder, ginger garlic paste and lemon juice.
I'm just gonna start adding stuff.
Lemon juice.
Listen, I can't eat food that's this spicy. I didn't realize this.
Why are you putting so much chili?
Dude, I didn't realize that it was this much that went into it.
Tani, I think you are overdoing that chili situation.
I think so too, but it's fine now.
Just use your hands. I don't even know how to use tongs. What is she going to cook? This prawn koli vada. Tani, just use your hands.
Okay, fine.
I think this I'm going to leave now for a bit.
You know what? I just cut myself yesterday on my finger and now there's red chili in my cut. And that's how I'm doing life.
The struggle is real.
I think we're good. I think let's leave this for a few minutes now.
Okay.
Why the coffee again still there?
Why are you not focusing on the prawns? Okay, so now it's time for the second marinade.
Okay.
So just start to add whatever you haven't in the first round.
Did you add the ajwain? Or like crush it a little bit because this is not crushed.
So just adding a little bit. I'm not crushing it.
I don't think this dahi is necessary. Do I have to put this dahi?
You know what? If you want to.
Just do what you want to.
That's usually how I go about my recipes. Just wing it.
See, the reason I feel like this does not require dahi is because it already has nimbu.
Yeah.
Upar se, it has its own water, so I don't need anything to bind all these things.
See, you can do the recipe your way and I'll do it my way.
It's not gonna work.
Oh, it's so thick. Is marinade supposed to be this thick?
I need somebody to test. Pratiksha, just
Dude, is it
check
supposed
na.
to be this? Hey, why do you get help? Akshay!
Test it. Is it fine? Just test the marinade.
ये
na.
ठीक है?
Just test the marinade.
क्या करूँ इसमें?
But don't add so much chili powder. अच्छा, at least taste the marinade.
ये इसका consistency ठीक है, देखो ऐसे आता है.
Thanks.
Now it's
I
a
think
fair
now,
competition.
now we better not mess this up because it's them versus them, right? Not you versus me.
What?
Okay, I think we can fry this now.
Okay.
Use it for your next Kinwin episode.
Stop. Okay, I'm just gonna. Can you pass me the tongs, please?
Just use your hands. They're anyway dirty.
You're such a food purist.
Who's coming to judge this goop that we made?
He's one of the most iconic foodies in India.
Everybody is an iconic foodie in this country.
Okay, so I'll give you 3 cues. He's worked with Amir Khan, he's worked with Kareena Kapoor, and he's worked with Shah Rukh Khan.
Why is he working with you then?
He's also worked with Suman Kazi.
Kunal.
Yeah.
I think he's perfect
I
to
know, right?
judge this dish.
Moment of truth. Guys, it's flattering and I can't do.
Tahni, they don't need to maintain social distance with it.
Listen.
Go for it. If you're going to throw it like this, it'll blast
Listen,
on your face.
it's coming on to me. Moment of truth, Sonal. Listen to that sizzle. Oops.
You're jumping more than the prawns.
Let's see.
My oil is refusing to start off.
At least mine isn't jumping at me.
Now it has calmed down.
Okay. I think it's done.
Maybe.
I think that's 3 of mine.
Almost there.
Almost there, almost there.
Keeping my hopes up.
My mum could see me, she'd be proud.
She will make a like, share and subscribe channel. How come yours is like this bright red? Mine isn't.
I don't think yours has enough masala on it.
I don't think you have enough masala.
You wanna bet?
I think you have over masala'd it.
We'll see.
Almost there. Chal.
Should we
Yeah.
call in our judge?
I think so.
Kunal, come on.
I think I need a little bit of.
Hello, here I am.
Hello.
You know, 1 minute. First, let me just tell you one thing. When I first heard that there were 2 ladies cooking a cook-off against each other, and I was watching you all from off camera, it is too calm. You know, I was expecting 2 women to be tearing each other's hair out and saying, my food is better than your food.
I think we're in that space where like women empower women. I think
Acha.
we're kind of
So
pushing that
you're
vibe.
doing, yeah, mine
Very
is-
casual.
Yeah, nice, good, not bad. My mother will be happy.
You also haven't, we've been doing that.
You've done?
Yeah.
Fighting, battling?
Yeah?
I think we helped each other more than fight the battle. I think that's the new woman.
Okay, let's talk about these prawns.
Okay,
Now-
but wait. I think this needs some nimbu. Chef,
True.
can I get
true.
some nimbu, please? Don't I?
She has all the help.
Chef gets it. What about her? Put some limbo on that
Yeah,
also.
Sonal.
Okay, fine.
Might as
I mean,
well.
but that was my idea.
Why do you have all the help?
Chaat masala.
Okay, chala, it's not chaat masala actually.
What is it?
हर चीज में चाट मसाला नहीं डालते
नहीं
हैं।
डालते?
वो चाट्स ऑफ इंडिया के लिए रिजर्व
तो
किया
थोड़ा
है।
ये भी कर डालते हैं उसके ऊपर थोड़ा थोड़ा अच्छा
Thanks,
भी
Kunal.
दिखे थोड़ा सा
See, what did I tell you?
Indian
He's a
style decoration हो
True
जाएगा.
foodie.
Yeah. No, in India we put over garnish everything,
yeah,
don't
yeah,
we?
yeah.
Now we need slices of cucumber, tomato,
Come on,
tomatoes
just
made
try
out
it,
of
Kunal.
flowers.
Just
no?
try. Just try.
I will
Come
try.
on, try.
Okay. Acha, I must tell you that I love prawns. It's my favoriteest thing of all time.
Really?
I love fried prawns.
Kunal, you
also.
said that about biryani, jalebi, gulab jamun.
You
said
see
that
what
about
all I like.
Say
What
that
all
about
I
everyone.
like. Okay. Ungliyon se hi khaye. Okay. So who should I taste first?
That one.
That one? Okay.
Is that a tactic?
No, just leaving
Is
the
that a tactic?
Okay. Shall we start the criticism? Less batter.
Go for
We
it.
need more batter before
more
I even
batter?
put.
Okay.
Yeah. Because it's soft. Man. Prawn kolivar needs to be crisp.
Okay.
But it's cooked beautifully.
Oh, thank you.
A little salty.
A little salty.
Little salty. But the prawn itself is cooked beautifully.
Really?
Perfect timing.
I am so happy.
I'll try this. Oh, this is crisp. Nice. Should I sort of seriously?
My like heart is thumping. say it. You chew your food more than Subodh in Dil Chahta Hai.
Okay, now this is a very difficult choice.
God.
Both of them are extremely good.
Okay.
But
This is really like he's like you should be on Indian
Building
Idol.
the
What are you
suspense.
doing here? Go to Indian Idol.
Building
If whoever is watching this, he should be on Indian Idol.
yeah,
Will you say आपने तो मौसम बदल दिया?
आपने no, मैं इंग्लिश में बोलता हूँ.
English में
आपने तो weather बदल दिया. Okay, I like this better.
Thank you.
I think you're a great host. Probably the best, one of the best food anchors I've ever seen.
Sweet.
So,
Just
but
making
you've
up.
made great prawns.
Oh no.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Done.
my work is done.
Your work is done.
You're like cooking
Work
again?
and damage both is done.
Both is done. Both is done.
You
Okay.
can come back anytime you like. We'll be happy to see.
Thank you very much. I'm having one more
Go
prawn
on.
before I leave. Oof, these prawns are good. Cheers. Cheers.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you. Good one. Here, eat all your prawns. My coffee.
But why is the coffee still there?